Remove the front box first. Unscrew the 4 screws. 2 inside. 2 above. Collect the screws first. Open this lid. It's also pried up here. Remove the front trunk. There are light bars here to be removed. Remove the cover. You can remove it by unscrewing the 2 screws. Take off the lid. Remove the screw at the front surrounding the bottom. It's for wiring. Remove the screws. Pry it open a little. The traction wire goes through here. Come out from below. A wiring harness that kicks the front box. Go to the hole below where we just went. Pull it down with traction wire. Pull it out of here. So the line comes out. Install it all in one go. Be sure to pay attention to the sensor face down. Whether it is installed inside the car or outside the car, the sensing surface must be facing down. Double-sided tape should be glued under the panel. It's stuck under the enclosure of the car. The sensing side down. Now we install the kick sensor wiring harness. Ground wire sticker here. Power cord sticker here. Just hang the ground wire directly. Because the current is not large. That's it, it's all set up. Now connect the power cord. Just hang the wire on it. Hanging the red harness of the kick here. Just tighten it. This is our one kit control box. Connect it. Can be placed in this position. Just find a suitable place. or here. It can also be installed under this trim panel. Let's take a look. So this controller here, you can connect however you want. Location can be selected by yourself. A ground wire, a power line, and a signal line for unlocking. The signal line for unlocking goes through this hole and come out here. That's the point. The two lines cannot touch together. If you touch a signal, you can't give it out. It's for signals. Because this wire is live. If it is live, the ground wire cannot be used. So wrap it in tape. This is the ground. Unlock signal. Don't touch the ground wire. Wrap it up. It's packed. Is this red one we kicked? The black package belongs to the original car. Can't touch. Wrap it up after connecting. To prevent it from touching inside, it may touch inside. Not only here, it's iron inside. There's also metal in it, so wrap it better. And sort out the wiring. Stuff it back and cover it. After all the wires are finished, we'll test if the one kick function is normal. Heard the noise and moved here. This test shows that the kick function works normally. Then we will kick to the designated position. It's like a kick. Try again like this. It means it works more normally. To be face down. The side without label is the sensing surface. Remind again. Because our car is surrounded, so put a kick in. Between the bumper and the original bumper. Stuff it in the middle. Take a look. It's inserted in the middle like this. We'll test it after it's installed. The one-click function. Okay, normal. Probably around this location. This is what we installed to surround it. Stuffed between the enclosure and the bumper of the original car. Tie the line. The line can't leak out. Tie the wiring. We will remove the screw hole just now. Fix it back. Then they kicked us. Fix the speed limit. We kick it with a cable tie. Tie it up. This is our wiring harness finished. Take a look. Now we will restore the original car parts. Install the inner cover. The front box is loaded. The buckle is pressed. Screw it. All accessories reset. Installation complete. Let's test it out. Okay, it's functioning normally. If equipped with electric headstock struts, the lid pops off completely.